In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Asana account. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your account is a permanent action. It removes your access, your personal profile, and your tasks that aren't shared with others. So if there's anything you might need later, like important project details or personal notes, take a moment to download or copy that information before you continue. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account in your web browser. Once you're on your main Asana screen, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. From that menu, you'll see several options related to your profile and workspace. Here, you want to click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or panel with different tabs where you can control various parts of your account. Inside the Settings window, look along the top for the tab called Account. Click on Account to switch to your account-specific settings. This is where Asana keeps options related to your identity, login, and account status, including the option to delete your account. Once you're in the Account tab, scroll through the options until you find the one that says Delete My Account. This is usually placed near the bottom or in a clearly labeled section because it's a serious action. When you're sure you're ready, click on Delete My Account. After you click, Asana will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to confirm that you understand what will happen and to make sure no one deletes an account by accident. Carefully read each message. You'll likely be asked to confirm that you want to proceed, and in some cases you may need to type a word or click a confirmation button. Follow each prompt step by step until Asana confirms that your account deletion request has been submitted or completed. Once that's done, your account will be scheduled for deletion according to Asana's policies, and you'll lose access once the process is finished. That's all there is to it. You've now seen the full process of deleting your Asana account, from opening your profile settings to confirming the final prompts.